Think Surgical's objectives are to expand the adoption of orthopedic robotics for joint replacement. We're going to do that by offering 2 different robotic platforms and an open business model, which means that the customer, the physician, can choose the right technology and the right implant for each individual patient.
TMINI is a miniature, handheld, and wireless robotic system for all implant surgeons. It overturns the conventions of orthopedic robotics by unlocking the implant manufacturer from the robot. The TMINI's small form factor and ease of use will open doors to the 85% of physicians that have not yet embraced robotics. That, combined with its open implant architecture, will allow physicians and hospital executives to make a decision that's building a robotics program without being locked into an implant contract for years to come.
Rather than introducing a large footprint and a big machine, once surgeons see this device, they'll see it's not very disruptive to their normal flow. It gives results that one expects. It's based off of a CAT scan, so it adds to the accuracy of corroborating a pre-op plan with an intra-op registration. The other main advantage is that it's an open platform, which allows a surgeon to use the implant they're familiar with, that they want to use, while adding this new technology.
Its size and speed are huge benefits, particularly for surgeons like me who will perform 5 joints in a single room in an 8-hour day. That speed does not sacrifice accuracy, as workflow seamlessly blends into my surgical practice.
It was important to get TMINI handpiece size and weight right. We needed to balance ease of use with power and motor torque, which led to a highly constrained and complex electromechanical design, which required innovative solutions to meet the sterilization needs of the handpiece, management of fixed and moving wires, and connectivity of mating components.
It felt like Sagentia checked all the boxes for us. We felt comfortable with their demonstrated surgical robotics experience from prior projects, their attention to detail, and their commitment to the project. And the individuals we interacted with were really genuine, smart, and likable people who worked with us continuously to overcome hurdles and to solve the really challenging problems that we ran into along the way.
We have a long track record of surgical robotics development. We excel at complex electromechanical and digital development projects conducted by our multidisciplinary science and engineering teams. We're focused on rapid development whilst delivering robust and reliable design outputs under our ISO 13485 quality management system, providing breakthrough innovations to the medical market.
TMINI changes Think Surgical's position in the marketplace enormously. Orthopedic robotics have been for innovators and early adopters up to this point. TMINI is an easy-to-use, efficient and ergonomic system which will bring new customers into the market who have been resistant to robotics up to this point.